Hello guys, so I'm using a different product today. This is totally different to anything that I've done before, ever. So this could be a little bit different or it could be absolutely horrific, who knows. So I've got some stone chips on the car and some actual dings, courtesy of the kids, you know how it is. So I'm going to pop up a picture of one particular stone chip, or chip, however it's happened, in the top corner now. And then I'm going to show you this stuff. So what it is, I'm going to swap the camera around now and I'm going to show you all about it, and we'll see where we're at so far. So I thought I'd talk to you while the paint's drying. So I've applied the paint just so it gives it more time to dry while I'm chatting to you guys. So I'm going to flip you around now and we'll see what's going on. So it is Chipex, all right? And this is a British company. Not that that matters, but it's a British company. So it got here right fast, and they match the paint to your chassis number. So bear in mind, guys, if you've had a paint change out like that and it's not on your chassis number, just be mindful that you'll probably get the wrong colour sent to you. So always keep in touch with them, letting them know what's going on. Anyway, it's a 3-stage thing. So you've got stage 1, which that's the paint. So that's matched to my colour code there. And then you've got the solution that's going to blend it. So once it's dry correctly, all your instructions are here, by the way, guys. Once it's dried, that'll blend it, and then a cheeky bit of polish after. Right, sounds easy. So like I say, I don't do oak like this. So you body shop lads out there might take the piss, purely because I ain't done oak like this, so I'm more of a mechanic. Anyway, there's the chip. There's one. As you can see, the paint colour, or the paint match, is absolutely mega. So while it's drying, obviously you can see quite a bit of a mound there. It's behind my driver's rear door handle. See a bit of a mound going on. And I've got one bit there, and then another bit there. So it's quite a good colour match as it is. So what I'm going to do, let it dry a little bit more, bring you along for the blending. So the blending, you use a little cloth and a block, and of course the blue solution. So I'm going to bring you along for that, show you live on camera what's going off of that, and then go from there, guys, and just see what this Chipex is really good. So I've had some good friends rate this really well, so I wanted to try it out on my own, because I don't like stone chips. They just make a really nice looking car look a bit poor. So yeah, we'll see you in the next part, guys. Right, so here's a bit of an after. So it was a really big chip, and now you've got a proper zoom in to see it. Now this isn't a one product fixes all. Obviously you're never going to be able to replace a body shop, not as such. However, DIY at home, right paint colour, a little bit of time. If it is an obviously bigger chip, you're going to have to build it up in layers, which I probably will carry on doing. But just to start with, look at that look. It's there. If you're right on top of it, you know it's there. But short of like a proper body spray and lacquer, that's mint. So yeah, I'm well chuffed for that, guys. So Chipex, go and give them a watch on their Instagram. And again, a massive thank you to Baz Meredith, who actually showed me this product, and it is mint. So like I say, it's not a product that will fix everything, so you can't ever see it ever again, unless it is a tiny little chip, but whatever. Other than that, thanks for coming along, guys. Like I say, give Baz some love, and of course Chipex, go over there, see him on Instagram, and of course find Chipex absolutely everywhere, and see if it can do wonders for your car. So other than that, guys, take care and have a steady weekend.